1.5, problem solving and using formulas. Learning objectives. Solving algebraic word problems using linear equation. 2. Solve formula for a variable. Do now, you have key terms, which is vocabulary. You need to look for those key terms on the internet or in the book. You have 9 words here. Okay. So they do this when you have the time. Okay, let's go for the rules and quick review summary. Okay. After a 60% reduction, a suit sold for $32. What was the original price? So reduction, what's the reduction means? What's mean reduction? Reduce, yes. Like reduce. Is it good or bad? It's good. When you get a reduction, you are subtracting it from the original price, right? Okay. Do you know the original price? X. So if something that you don't know, you use the variable X. So X is the original price minus how much discount you're getting? 60%. You need to convert 60% to decimal. So it become what? 0.6, correct. And how much is the original price? X, original price. X. So you put multiply times X. That's what you put here. Okay. Equal how much you paid for the suit. But remember, we do what? Subtraction. If it's taxation, if you have to pay tax, then instead of minus, it's going to be what? Plus. How much tax you pay here? 0.15, correct. So now you solve and you find how much is X. X is the cost of what? The original price for the suit, which is $80. Is this clear? Any questions?
What's the original price?
The original price is $80. And you pay, how much you pay after discount? 32. So all you have to do is just, this is, remember, this is here 1x minus 0.6x. So 1, and you take away what? 0.6. Subtract. What do you get? 0.4. 0.4 what? X, because this is x and this is x. Okay? So you get 0.4x equal what? 32. Then you divide both sides by what? 0.4. And you can cancel 0.4 with 0.4. Use the calculator to get 32 divided by 0.4. And that gives you x equal what? 8. Clear? That's it. So that's the first one. Let's go now for formula. He's giving you formula. This formula, I think it's energy. E equal I, open parentheses, R plus small r, capital R plus small r. Now, he's asking you to solve for what? For R. So in this case, I need this R. So I have to distribute the I. After you distribute the I, you isolate IR by itself, because I want R by itself. And after you get IR by itself, you divide both sides by what? By I. And now you get how much is R? Equal what? E minus IR over I. Is this clear? Come on. So this was the summary for the lesson. Now we're going to go step by step. Remember, this is concept and vocabulary check. After you get the vocabulary in the top, the meaning, you have to look for the answer for this one. Okay. Here it said fill in each blank so that the resulting statement is true. Okay. you have to read all this and find the answer. Now let's take a look at solve algebraic word problem using linear equation. I need someone to read loud, please. Read loud. In a triangle.
In a triangle, the measure of the three angles are consecutive integers. What is the measure of each angle?
First, what is this called? Triangle.
Triangle.
What does the triangle looks like? Like this. It could be like this, or it could be like this, right? The triangle has how many angles? Three angles. Angle A, correct? B, C. A, B, C. What is the measurement of the three angles?
180.
Right. Now, do you understand the meaning of consecutive? What's mean consecutive? Means after each other. So if I say you are in page 80, what's the next page?
81.
What's the next page?
82.
Very good. So if I don't know the angle for the first one here, what value should I put?
X.
Right. So let A equal what? X. Now I'm going to replace A by what? X plus. What will be the next angle? How much? Next angle. The first, if the first angle is 80, the second angle, so it's going to be X plus what?
1.
1. Next one?
X plus 2.
X plus 2. Is this clear?
Yeah.
No. I don't know the angle, so I replace the angle by what? By X. He said you have three angles are consecutive. Consecutive means what? They are after each other, right? So the first angle is X, second angle will be what? Third angle will be what?
X plus 2.
That's it. That's all I did. Now, how many X's do you have?
3.
3 X's. Okay? And how much numbers? 1 plus 2 equal what?
180.
Right. Move the 3 to the other side. What do you get?
183. 60.
Okay. Now, I'm going to divide 177 by what? Yeah, because I need to cancel the 3 with the 3. So X equal how much? 5, 9. So the first angle is how much? If angle A is 51. What do you think angle B will be? 60. How did you know 60? What's the angle 3? If you want to check the answer, what do you do? You have to, if you add all the 3, they should equal how much? Can you use the calculator to tell me if this is correct? Is this correct? It's 180? Yes? All these 3. If you add all these 3, 180. So you are true. Easy as easy? Any questions? Good?
Yes.
Move on. I need someone to read the next one. Go ahead.
The bus fare in the city is $1.25. People who use the bus have the option of purchasing a monthly discount pass for $15. With discount pass, the fare reduced to 0.75 determine the number of times in a month the bus must be used so that total monthly cost without discount pass is the same as the total monthly cost with a discount pass.
I need someone else to read it loud. Someone else? Yes?
The bus fare in the city is 1.25. People who use the bus have the option for purchasing a monthly discount pass for $15 with the discount pass. The fare is reduced to 0.75. Determine the number of times in a month. The bus must be used so that the total monthly cost without the discount pass is the same as the total monthly cost with the discount pass.
Good.
I have a question, Doctor.
The bus fare, what's mean fare?
So,
In a city is how much?
1.25.
1. Okay. People who use the bus have the options of purchase a monthly discount pass. How much monthly? $15. So you can get monthly. Where's the discount pass? The fare is reduced to how much? 0.70. So those together, right? The 15 and the 0.75. Determine the number of time in a month the bus must be used so that the total monthly cost without the discount pass is the same as the total monthly cost with the discount pass. Who understand this?
I get it, Doctor.
Yes, go ahead.
Is that a question or?
Yeah, it's a question. You have to answer the question. Okay. So, how much the discount will cost?
$15.
$15. How much the base fare reduced to how much? 0.75. How many times do you use the 0.75? How many times you're going to use it? X. So you're going to say let X equal the number of what? The number of bridge crossing. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes.
Type. This should equal what? Should equal what? 0.125. How many times you're going to use the bus without discount? We don't know. X. So now what should I do? I need to isolate X. So I will keep this together, right? 1.25 X minus 0.75 X equal what? 15. Can you use the calculator and tell me how much?
0.5.
0.5 X equal 15. Correct?
Yes.
Now, I'm going to have to get rid of the 0.5. What should I do? Divide one side or both sides?
Both sides.
Do you have a calculator?
7.5. Yes.
So X equal 7.5. So the plan costs the same if you're going to cross the bridge 7.5. Are you sure it's 7.5?
Yes.
Please do it in the calculator, please. Or 75.
No, it's 30.
30. Ah,
How is that?
30.
So, we put it 0
So either you use a discount or without discount, they are the same. How many times crossing? يبقى هنقول ايه? The two plans cost the same For how many crossing? 30. Bridge A. Bridge crossing. Is this clear?
Yes.
If you understand, raise your hand.
That means the 30
If you make more than 30, then the discount is better for you. You understand?
Monthly.
Let's say if you go 60 times, then you will make more benefits from crossing the bridge. If you cross the bridge more than 30. Understand?
Understood.
Any questions? What if you cross 15 times only?
No, I'm not good.
Then it's don't benefit. There is no benefit. Then just use the regular fare, which is 1.25. Just pay 1.25. If you use 1 time or 2 times or 3 times, up to 15. After 15, then join the club and make the discount
1 month?
for 1 month. Yes. Okay. Any questions?
No.
Okay. I need someone to read. Yes.
The selling price of a refrigerator is 584. And the markup is 25% of the dealer's cost. What is the dealer's cost of the refrigerator?
I need someone else to read it. Yes.
The selling price of refrigerator is $584. If the markup is 25% of the dealer's cost, what is the dealer's cost of the refrigerator?
Very good. What's means selling price? The price of the sale, right? Okay. Is how much here?
584.
If the markup, what's mean markup? Markup is good, يعني it's good, well bad. For the seller is good. For the seller is good because you are increasing the price. How much he's gonna put markup? 25 of the cost, right? What is the dealer cost of the ratio? So we have the cost صح plus markup equal what? Average selling price. How much the selling price?
700.
Do you know how much the cost? Do you know how much the markup? Only 25? 0.25. What? Times X, right? Now we're going to remember, markup we have to do what? Plus. Now, can you combine this together? What do you get?
0.25.
Because this is 1 here, right?
Yeah.
Equal 584. Can you use the calculator and tell me how much?
759.2. Oh, no.
So X equal how much?
467.
467.2. That's the what?
Cost.
Cost price. Any questions?
Thank you.
So we finish 1.5. You have to do the remaining questions in your own. Clear? See you next class, inshallah.